what? Oh, yes.
Ay, kung konti lang.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay.
Hoy! Not counted!
I-count mo na.
Tinakot mo eh.
Ay, natakot eh.
Pati babae, wala namang bigote.
My knees is hot. I pretend too much. I'm lonely, but no one can tell. Nail Sita.
How I'd like to look
Yes.
into that little book, the one that has the lock and key. Say I'm the boy that you care for, the boy who's diary.
Crazy. I'm crazy. 14 para 15.
Hoy!
I'm crazy for trying. Yes, I'm crazy for crying. And I'm crazy for loving you.
And they call it popular.
Wow! What a
Salamat
wonderful
po.
song.
Guess they'll never.
Mukhang panalo ka, Dong.
Kajut lang, kajut. How a young heart really feels. And that's why I love her so.
Well, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, reminding each and everyone to please join us by clapping your hands to rhythm.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
We will count para sabay-sabay po tayo, okay?
Get ready?
Here we go. One more.
Here we go! Those were
Come on.
the days, everybody! We thought we'd never let. We'll sing and dance forever.
Come on, it's good for your heart.
We live a life we choose. We find we'll never lose. Oh, we were younger, and sure you had a way. Lie, 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 lie. Ang kanya'y lay, lay na. Lay, 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 lie, lay, 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 lie, lay, 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 lie. Lie, 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 lie. Lie. Thank you very much.
You're wonderful. Maraming salamat. Do you like more? I can hear you people. You like more? Yes, thank you. Pagkain lang siya na iniisip mo eh.
Gutom na ako eh.
Pare nga pala, maalala ko.
Bakit?
Ba't ang aga-aga mo rin sa labi sa taas?
Kanina?
Oh.
Eh, supposed to be may kausap ko, hindi naman dumating.
Hmm.
Eh, magsi-7 na. Eh, lakas pa ng ulan.
Bagay.
Standby muna ako sa lobby.
Mhm.
Uy, alam mo, naka-standby ako kanina, pare.
Hmm.
May pumasok na babae, ang tangkad.
Wow.
Tapos yung damit niya yung low cut.
Lokat?
Ang laki ng, ng Mount Ararat.
Mhm.
Nahulog yung susi.
Mhm.
Pagdukwang na ganon, abay, nakita ko yung dibdib, pare, ang puti-puti.
Ano kapag tataka ron?
Bakit maputi yun?
Tingnan mo itong tao. Naalala mo nag-show tayo ng Kuwait?
Oo.
Naalala mo ba yung nasa BMW?
Yung balot na balot ng kulambo?
Doon din mag-check-in sa Gulf Hotel?
Oo, nakita ko yun.
Pagdating sa Gulf Hotel, tinanggal yung malabal na ganyan eh. Ang puti-puti, Lebanese pala.
Bakit nga maputi yun?
Mabihira naman. Doon pala sa kotse, dinaarawan. Siyempre, ang tendency niyan, maputi.
Ah, ang ibig sabihin, pag hindi narawan, maputi.
Siyempre.
Kalokohan.
Totoo yun.
Bakit yung itlog mo, hindi narawan, itim-itim? Aray, naku. Eh, niloloko mo yung mga tao eh.
Siya tumatawa para maputi yung kanya.
Hoy!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the old saying that laughter is the best medicine. And do you know that happiness is relative? Yes.
Yes.
Just think happy and you'll be happy.
Right.
Smile, the world smile with you.
Yes.
The same thing with success.
Success.
Success is also relative. More success, more relatives.
Buisit. Maganda na dramatic na eh.
Mga kaibigan, sa lahat ng bansang aming nararating, lagi po namin binabanggit sa ating mga kababayan sa labas ng bansa, ang tayong mga Pilipino, anuman ang problema natin sa ating sariling bansa, kaya natin. You know why? Being the only Christian country in the Far East, we Filipinos believe that there is somebody up there, a God is willing and able to give us a hand. This is our favorite song. Whenever you have problems in life, don't worry. Just believe that when you walk through that storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of
is gold and sky and the sweet silver sound of the lark. Walk on to the wind, walk on to the rain, till your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on, walk on, with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat.
Magandang gabi.